and welcome to Arrusti Mangia. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Sicilian stuffed artichokes. Let's do it.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Arrusti Mangia. Nice to see you again today. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make artichokes, stuffed artichoke, the way my mom taught me, the old Sicilian way, which is a beautiful way to do it, and they taste amazing. So we went to Costco a couple days ago and picked up, they had huge artichokes on sale. Absolutely beautiful. Take a look at that. So I'm going to make two different styles here today. The first style, which I already did, is just very simple. Use your stovetop stuffing and you just add them in, stuff them in. I'm going to show you how to do the procedure that I'm going to show you now is the same thing that you're going to use for this, but I'm making one with stovetop and the other one I'm making the old Sicilian way. If you want to use your stalks, I've cut the stalks also, put them in there, leave them in the pot, and let's begin with what we started with. So in this, I've used breadcrumbs, so broken up bread. I usually let my bread sit for a few days, get it hard. I don't make it into very fine, just if you can see it how it is already, like this, okay? I've also used 1 clove of garlic, so you're gonna put 1 clove of garlic for every artichoke that you're gonna use. And then I'm gonna put mint inside, salt, pepper, and I've chopped up an onion, white onion, okay? Depending on how much onion you like, but usually maybe 1/4 of an onion. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in our mint. And then after you've done all this, I've already put it in, but you're gonna put Parmesan cheese, okay? So a palm full of Parmesan cheese, and you could already see how nice that's looking. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the olive oil so it makes it stick. It's very simple to do, and they taste amazing. So in Italian, what is it called? It's called calciofala. So, and it's very black pepper, don't forget. And it's very popular, especially in Sicily. Okay, so I put my mint in there. If you want to put some basil, you could put basil too. I'm not going to put the basil. So what you do, in the meantime, when you're making this, you're going to fill this up with water. Just a little bit of water on the bottom of a little pan like this. And then you're going to grab some lemon, throw the lemon in, lemon juice, and take your artichokes and put them upside down like this. Okay, throw it in, let them sit in here for about 15-20 minutes under the lemon, and it makes it open it up and it's easier for you to stuff them. So when you do take them out, you see how they open up nicely, like that, okay? So we're gonna open that up and then we're gonna stuff our stuffing inside. Very simple. And I tell you, they taste amazing, amazing. They do this down south, so they still continue to make it this way. They use this way. I did both ways with the stovetop stuffing to see how it turns out. I've never done it with the stovetop. We'll see how that turns out. And this is the old Sicilian way. Okay, so I'm going to stuff the other one later on. So I want to just show you. So what I'll do now is I'm going to take them and we're going to put them in our pot. You're going to fill up the pot with water and you're only going to go probably about 3/4 of the way. You don't want to bury the artichoke underwater, the top, okay? So this stays above the water, and you're going to then put the lid on it and boil for 2 hours, okay? Not a hard, strong boil, but have them to just a medium boil for 2 hours. Let them sit, and then I'll show you what they look like after that, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this for now, and we'll see you when they're all done. So have a good look at them, how beautiful they look. Okay, so I've got them. That's how far up you should have them. Don't go too far. You don't want to put these underwater. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I've already had them on here and I'm just turned on the heat, ready for boiling. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some oil, olive oil, on top, like that. And you're going to put some salt in the water, not on the actual artichoke. We're going to salt the water a bit. And put the top on, and we're going to watch it. We don't want the water to get too low. If we start seeing when the water starts to get lower, we're going to keep adding water. But we're going to boil it for 2 hours.
And we're just going to let him go, and we're just about there now. And I have to be honest, the winner is the actual Sicilian way for the stuffing. I didn't like the stovetop, so that don't work. Use the Sicilian way, the way I showed you. And you can use this with any kind of a dish. You can use it as a side dish or serve it with rice or your peppers and sausage and have it around. And it's just so perfect. Look at that. You can just look at it and it is just tender. You can bake them, but they don't come as tender. Remember to chop the tops off before you do go ahead and start stuffing. And that's it. That simple. I hope you've enjoyed it and hope to see you in the next one.